Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get cash from Affirm virtual card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Getting cash directly from an Affirm virtual card is not possible. The virtual card is designed strictly for making purchases, not for withdrawing cash. You can't use it at an ATM, get cash back at a store, or transfer money to apps like Cash App, PayPal, or Venmo. Affirm virtual cards only work at checkout when paying for goods or services. The Affirm virtual card functions as a one-time or limited-use card that is generated when you're approved for a purchase. You enter the details at checkout just like a normal card and then repay the amount over time through Affirm. Since it is not linked to a checking account, it does not support cash withdrawals or direct money transfers. If you're trying to turn an Affirm purchase into cash, there are only indirect methods and they all come with limitations. One option is buying an item and returning it, but refunds usually go back to Affirm or the original payment method, not as cash. Another method is purchasing a physical product and reselling it for cash, though this often loses money due to resale fees or lower resale value. Some people also try buying gift cards and selling them or trading them for cash, but this usually pays less than the card's value and may violate Affirm's terms. These workarounds are not guaranteed and are not the same as withdrawing cash. In short, you cannot get cash directly from an Affirm virtual card. It is meant only for financed purchases, and any attempt to convert it into cash involves indirect methods that carry risks and losses. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get cash from Affirm virtual card. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.